Hello guys, today I am showing you a video about the startup of the Pilatus PC 12. We will start by removing the pitot cover, engine cover, checking the engine and the different control surfaces. We can now open the door and enter the airplane. On the overhead panel, we will turn on BAT 1 and BAT 2. Now the avionic bus 1 and avionic bus 2. Now we can turn on the strobe and beacon. The no smoking and seatbelt sign 2 on. Clear left, clear right, both fuel pumps on. Ignition, engine master on starter. Generator 1 on. Ignition to automatic. Flaps to 1. Parking brake to off. Congratulations, you successfully started the Pilatus PC 12. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, or subscribe. Goodbye.